Welcome back to Timber Rush, where one wrong cut, one bad pull, or one machine pushed too far can turn a normal forestry job into a full-pressure test. This Binderberger-style firewood machine chews through wood like it is starving. Logs move straight along the conveyor and into the spinning blades, where 3-foot sections are cut down into clean, even blocks at a brutal pace. Hydraulic power keeps the whole process moving smoothly, but this is not a machine you treat carelessly. Put one hand in the wrong place, and a normal workday can turn into a serious accident instantly. In the tough world of forestry machinery, the John Deere 1270G with the H425 head does not just show up to compete. It takes over. With aggressive cutting power, accurate measuring, and relentless feeding performance, this machine turns dense timber into clean, sorted logs in seconds. That is mechanical strength working side by side with smart control. The sawmill had stopped, but now it is back in action. New edger blade bearings bring the heart of the mill back to life, and every precise cut through this red oak proves the repair was worth it. Round logs open up into clean boards, rough timber becomes valuable lumber, and the whole process shows why maintenance is never optional. Like and subscribe if you want to follow more real timber work like this. This 1-meter diameter giant is a serious challenge. Matthias is working with a Husqvarna and a 50-centimeter bar, fighting through the cut inch by inch. Next time, a longer bar would probably be the smarter choice. Taking down a tree this size is not just about strength. It takes planning, accuracy, patience, and respect for the living giant being brought down. This stump removal setup changes the job completely with a snatch block pulley system that gives a 2-1-to-1 mechanical advantage. That means small effort becomes serious pulling force. It is a simple but powerful way to remove stubborn stumps without turning the whole job into a fight. The Albach Diamant 2000 is not just a wood chipper. It is a forest shredding beast. With 790 horsepower under the hood and all-wheel drive, this machine eats through logs across rough terrain like they are nothing. Its precision rotor and blade system deliver non-stop efficiency wherever the job leads. Meet the Adro Dominator, a hydraulic powerhouse for firewood processing. Designed for maximum output, it handles logs with smooth, controlled hydraulic force. Wireless control gives the operator precision without unnecessary movement, and its Czech-built construction makes it a serious machine for serious work. This design is clean and simple, but safety is where the doubts begin. There is no saw cover, no kickback protection, just an exposed spinning blade waiting for one mistake. The machine may work, but the risk is obvious. Smart build or too dangerous? That question is hard to ignore. Drop a 1-inch in the comments if this wood splitter impressed you. With fast performance and precise design, it is a real game changer in wood processing. Your support helps keep more creative machinery ideas coming. Building a road through wild forest is never easy. This excavator claws through rocks, stumps, roots, and mountain soil with raw hydraulic force. Every bucket bite opens another piece of the route, and every track mark shows the fight between human grit and unforgiving terrain. Step by step, raw land becomes a working road. The Caterpillar 527-track grapple skidder owns this rough Idaho ground. Its powerful grapple locks onto heavy logs and drags them through difficult terrain with controlled force. This is the kind of machine built for jobs where weaker equipment would already be finished. A clean top cut can turn into a violent rebound in a second. One moment everything looks controlled, and the next the branches are throwing stored energy back through the air. Even with ropes and professional gear, gravity has no mercy. Full PPE, clear positioning, and respect for the danger are the only reasons someone walks away. Surviving with only scratches is luck, not proof of skill. One bad cut can turn a tree into a missile. Never gamble around moving timber. Stay clear until the wood is fully down and stable. The Pezzolato log splitter is an industrial beast. With a hydraulic system delivering 50 tons of force, it handles massive logs up to 82.6 inches long. Adjustable hydrocross wedges keep the split accurate, while PTO and electric power options give the machine strong flexibility. Operated remotely by one person, this is pure engineer dominance. The Cat Mini excavator turns tension into control. One steady push, one clean drop, no panic, no mess. Just hydraulic skill, calm timing, and confidence at the controls. With a Husqvarna 562 XP in hand, this operator works with calm precision. Every cut is steady, accurate, and controlled, turning a large tree into usable timber like it is second nature. The Cat C18 engine brings 600 horsepower and massive torque, while the dual-shaft system with aggressive teeth tears through green waste, roots, and construction debris. Adjustable output sizing gives this machine the flexibility to crush difficult material day after day. Built on a rugged HW6 base, this machine delivers solid stability and durability. It is not just equipment, it is proof that skill, grit, and smart building can create something genuinely effective. The Fix K500 is a firewood beast. It feeds, cuts, and splits heavy logs with brutal efficiency, turning raw timber into clean pieces at production speed. This is not slow backyard work. This is a sharp wood processing line built to keep output moving. The HPRO 765 HB is more than a bark stripper. It is a production booster. Its 7.5-meter crane gives full log control, while hydraulic integration cuts down setup time. At only 200 kilograms, it will not overload the tractor, and 70 horsepower is enough to keep bark removal fast, clean, and professional. The Wood Pro 830D is a real game changer in modern forestry. With full 360-degree cab rotation, it handles harvesting, loading, and positioning with total control. Attachments can be swapped in minutes, giving one machine the strength, accuracy, and flexibility to take on multiple forest jobs. The blade bites, the machine holds, and raw horsepower does the heavy work. But power without judgment is dangerous. Real operators know when to push harder and when to control the force before the job turns against them. The Bandit 4680 is a stump grinding monster. Its 6.0-inch cutter, packed with 48 teeth, chews through huge stumps and logs like they are nothing. With a 4 5x6 0-inch opening and up to 1,200 horsepower, this track beast turns brutal wood waste into processed material with relentless force. The AT-71 aerial trimmer is built for power line clearing. Its extended boom reaches high with surgical precision, cutting branches in tight utility corridors where normal machines would struggle. With crab steering, fast rotation, and compact control, this rig is agile, smart, and built for serious professional work. Ever fought a stump so wide it almost laughs at your saw? The Bandit 2650 does not hesitate. A full 1-meter conifer stump gets chewed down with clean power and no drama. Precision, force, and serious grinding performance come together here. This is how professionals clear the path.